Hello everybody, welcome back to our HTML and CSS tutorial. In the previous episode, we have discussed how to use classes and IDs in HTML and CSS, and in this episode, we are going to learn about lists in HTML. There are different types of lists in HTML, but today we are going to cover the three most commonly used lists in HTML, which are unordered list, ordered list, and definition list. Let me start by giving you the example of unordered list. To add an unordered list in your code, you will start by typing in the unordered list key tag, and then you will add the list item like this into your code. Let's give this one a text of, let's say, item 1 like this, and then let's come down and give another list example like this. Let's also call this one item 2, or let me just copy what I did right here to make it easy with Ctrl+C, and let's paste it down here. Let's just change this one to item 3, and let's save it, go back into our browser and refresh. As you can see, this is an example of unordered list. Let's go back into our code and give the example of an ordered list. And to add an ordered list into our code, we just need to type in OL like this, and let's add the list item with LI, and let's call this one, let's say, first item like this, and let's just copy what we did here just to make it easy with Ctrl+C, and let's come down and paste it a couple more times like this, and let's change this one to second item, and this one to, let's say, third item like this, and let's save it with Ctrl+S and go back inside our browser and refresh. As you can see, the difference between unordered list and ordered list is very obvious. The unordered list only has this bullet icon like this at the beginning of it, this one, and the ordered list, it has numbers 1, 2, 3, as you can see. Let's go back into our code and go for the definition list. But first, let's just add some comment here to make it more readable and more understandable for you guys. To add an item, don't forget, you just need to do like this, and let's call this one unordered list like this, and let's copy this comment with Ctrl+C, and let's paste it right here, and let's call this one ordered list like this. Let's save it. Let's come down and add our definition list. And for the definition list, to add a definition list, you just need to type in DL like this. Or first, let's add the comment for our definition list. Let's see, definition list like this, and let's come down and add the DL tag like this. And for the items, the elements inside it, let's start with DT like this, and let's call this one term 1 maybe, and let's come down and add the DD tag like this, and let's call this one definition, let's say definition 1, for example. Let's remove this, and let's just copy what we did here with Ctrl+C, and let's come down and paste it like this, and let's call this one, or let me just do it like this. Let's call this one term 2, and this one as well definition 2, and let's save it, go back into our browser and refresh, as you can see, this is how definition list looks like. Our term, the DT, and our definition. This is how they look like. Alright, these are the most 3 commonly used types of list in HTML. But we can create more types of lists using this list we have created right here. For example, we can create an unordered list inside ordered list and vice versa. Just know that these are the 3 types of lists you should really know how to use for now. And this will be the end of today's lesson. I hope to see you in the next one. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on notification so that you won't miss out the next episode.